How to fix Discord not opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And now, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Discord and make sure the Discord application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the application further. Next, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage, and here navigate to Discord and tap on it. Now, go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead to your home screen and tap hold on the Discord application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option and then tap on delete. Once deleted, open App Store and search for Discord and reinstall the Discord application, and now launch the Discord application, and by now your Discord application should be working just fine. So this is how you can fix Discord not opening. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.